good morning. So today we got another water truck with PTO issues. So I want to show you real quick. Let's fire this little girl up. Make sure you turn it on. You get the power going. Fired up. And as you can see, the PTO is blinking. It's supposed to be solid. You know, solid green. So apparently the PTO is not activating. So there's a pressure switch underneath. I'm going to show you right now. We're going to try and change that out and just see if the PTO will work. So I'm going to show you where that is right now. We're going to go ahead and pop it out. So your pressure switch is going to be right here. I got the new one in the bag. So it's going to be right up here. Right there's your switch. Just unplug this plug. Unbolt it right there and take it out and pop the new one in. See if I can do this with one hand. Maybe not, maybe two hands. So there's that. Go get me a wrench. I go pop that thing out real quick. We'll pop a new one in, and then we'll test it and see if it works. Alright, so you get your 9/16, and you pop this out, pop the new one in. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this out real quick, put the new one in, and then we'll give it a test run, and we will see what happens. Keep in mind though, when you do pull this one out, it does leak. So unless you're really fast, like I did it really quick, just get the old one out, new one in real fast, you only leak like a drop or two. But just, you know, for the people who might take a little longer, make sure you get the drip pan down there. So right now I'm gonna get this tightened up, snug it up with the wrench, and we're going to test it. It's kind of a tight little area too, so it's kind of hard to get in, but okay, nice and tight there. Plug in this old girl. Alrighty, now let's get back up there to the top. And let's test her out. Back in the truck. Well, there's a check engine light, so, well, it went out, we're good there. PTO light's still blinking. Let's give it a minute to run and build up some pressure. Nope. No good. Nope. So the next step we're gonna do is pull out this whole piece, see if we can get a new one. Maybe there's an issue with the connections inside the board or the switch. So we don't have the parts today, so that's it for this one. I hope this was helpful. If you guys have any ideas, please comment and let me know. If there's something else that I missed that I could try, I'd like to know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.